Using your web browser, go to efilive.com and download EFI Live version 8. After the download is complete, run the setup file. After the installation is complete, using the USB cable provided, connect the AutoCal to your computer. You will likely need to restart your computer after the drivers have been installed for the AutoCal. You can now unplug the device and head out to your car to read your stock calibration file. Remove the USB cable and connect the OBD2 cable to the AutoCal. With the key out of the ignition, insert the OBD2 cable into the diagnostic port located underneath and to the left of your steering wheel. Press the next button on the AutoCal until the display reads Read 1 E78. Do not press the OK button yet. Insert the key in the ignition and turn to the on position. Wait 10 seconds, then press OK to begin reading your stock calibration file. The read process will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes to complete. Once the file has been saved, you'll be prompted to turn off the ignition. Turn the key to the off position and press OK to acknowledge and begin the countdown. You should wait 15 seconds or until the countdown is complete before removing the key or attempting to start the vehicle. Once the countdown is complete, unplug the AutoCal and remove the key from the ignition. You will now plug the AutoCal once again into your computer using the provided USB cable. Open the EFI Explorer window. Under the F3 Data Files tab, find the Read folder. In this folder, you should locate your stock calibration file ending in .ctd. Copy this file to a location where you can find it easily later. After you've saved the file, you may want to rename it something like mycruze stock calibration.ctd. You will then email this file to vermonttuner@yahoo.com. Your new Stage 0 and Economy tunes will be emailed to you within 24 hours. You will then use EFI Explorer to copy these files to your AutoCal. You may need to delete your original stock calibration file from the AutoCal. You should place your new calibration files under the tune directory, not under the read directory. Once they've been copied, remove the device, go to your car, insert the key in the ignition, and move it to the on position. Connect the AutoCal to the car using the OBD2 cable. In this example, I'm using a slightly different tuner called a V2, but the procedure is similar for your AutoCal. Press the next button on the AutoCal until the display reads Program 1 or Program 2. Underneath, it should have the title of the program you'd like to flash, which should either be your Economy tune or your Stage 0 tune. Select the appropriate tune and press OK. Once the tuning is complete, you'll be prompted to turn off the ignition. After switching off the ignition, press the OK key to acknowledge and begin the countdown. After the countdown is complete, the car may then be started.